Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hey guys, it's Lucy from Fun-Keys. Today we're going to be learning how to play the iconic theme tune from Pirates of the Caribbean. Yes, that is correct. But before we do that though, please do make sure to like this video, comment any other videos you'd like to see from us, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so we're going to first look at the right hand. We start on D. We are in 3/4, which means there are 3 beats per bar, which means that it's going to be a really driving piece. We're going to start slow though, so don't worry, and then we're going to gradually increase the speed. So the right hand, we start on D, we play D, D, E, F, D. Now this rhythm repeats a lot, what you're going to hear. It's a mixture of crotchets and quavers. The quavers are very fast though, so just listen out for this rhythm. So it's bum, 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 bum. Then we move to E, down to D, down to C. Those 3 notes are all crotchets. Now for the first part of this song, that is the rhythm. It goes bum, 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 and then that rhythm just repeats again. Bum, 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 and then it changes again. So the notes change, but the rhythm just repeats again and again and again. So the rhythm and the melody for the first 2 bars goes like this. Then we're going to repeat the first bar again, starting on D. But then instead of going to E and going down, we're going to go back to E but go up to G. So we're going to do E, F, G the second time. So that little bit that we've just learnt goes. Remember as well, this is all in your right hand, so do not use your left hand for this. So from the beginning up to that point, we are going to do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now, for the next section, we're going to stay on that D. So you're going to jump your hand up to either your thumb or your second finger. I'm going to use my second finger. We're going to stay on the G. We're going to repeat it twice, that same rhythm, but then we're going to go up to A, then up to B flat, then back down to G. That B flat is just sat in between the A and the B key, the black key in between those two. So find A, find B, and then go to the black key in between them. So that section goes like this. G, G, A, B flat, G. Yeah, but with the right rhythm it sounds like this. Then we're going to go down to F, then to E, then to D, 3 crotchets. There we go. So we've just done. Then the next 2 bars, we have 3 crotchets again. It's that E, D, C, and then the last bar of this section is D. There you go. So starting from the beginning of that section, we're going to go on D. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Don't worry if not, you can just go back to the previous part of the video and repeat it until you've got it. Once you have though, let's continue. So the next part is a little bit easier. We have some held notes, what we call some dotted minims. We have an A, which is a dotted minim. So that's 3 beats in total. So 1, 2, 3. Then we have a B flat, which is also a dotted minim. 2, 3. Then we go back to A and repeat it 3 times. Then we play A, G, hold that for the rest of the bar. So that section goes A, 2, 3, B flat, 2, 3, A, G, 3. Yeah? Then the next bit, same rhythm, different notes. So we're going to go G, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, E, F, E, D, 2, 3. So the last bar of that section is different to the first part, so we hold that D rather than playing 2 quavers, but the other notes are all the same. So that whole section then goes like this, after 3. 1, 2, 3. A, 2, 3, B flat, 2, 3, A, that is the second section of the right hand. Now the final section of the right hand is pretty much just a repeat of the first section. So it goes a little bit like this, just to recap. We're ready. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, if we put that all together from the beginning, it'll sound a little bit like this. I will do it at the same speed I've been doing, and then I will just speed it up ever so slightly for you guys. Okay, so let's do it. First time through. Are we ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. There you go. Amazing stuff. Okay, let's try it again, but a little bit faster this time, okay? So this is about the speed that we want to play it at. Okay, then after that, I'm going to play the left hand so you can play the right hand along with the left hand, okay? So twice through. So here's the first time. So we're going to go about this speed. Bum ba 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 bum 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 ba 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 bum 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 ba 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 bum 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 bum. About that speed, okay? So a little bit faster. Join in if you can. Are you ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. That time. Okay, so this time I'm going to play the left hand and I want you guys to play along with me, okay? I'm not going to play the right hand, but the left hand moves every 3 beats, okay? So the left hand will keep you in time. It's just mainly just chords that are held as dotted minims. So see if you can play along with me. I'm going to play the left hand, okay? I'll count 3 so you can keep in time. All right, I'm going to go a little bit slower so you can practice. Okay, first time through. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to try it a little bit faster in our left hand, okay? So about this speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Are we ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Well done! Alright, if you've got the first part of this, which is the right hand indeed, please tune in to the second part of this video, which will be a tutorial on how to do the left hand, the bass clef, and both hands together, which is treble and bass. Okay, keep practicing that right hand, and we'll see you soon for another video. Bye, guys!
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our Fun-Keys flashcards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website, Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.